The 7 kinds of to be in English. Hi everyone, welcome back to ESC Grammar and Structure, where English grammar finally makes sense. So tell me, have you ever stared at a sentence and thought, wait, is it am or are? Or maybe were? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today we're going to talk about the 7 forms of to be: is, am, are, was, were, be and been, and how they appear across all 16 tenses in English. By the end of this lesson, you'll see how this tiny little verb connects everything in English, from I am happy to I have been working all day. Part 1. What does to be mean? The verb to be simply means to exist or to describe a state of being. It's used to show who we are, where we are, or how we feel. For example, I am a teacher. You are a student. He is tired. It's one of the most important verbs in English, and also one of the most confusing. Part 2. The 7 forms of to be. Here they are: is, am, are, was, were, be, been. Let's group them based on how they're used. 1. Present forms: am, is, are. I am happy. She is smart. They are ready. 2. Past forms: was, were. I was tired. You were late. 3. Base form: be, used after can, should, will, etc. I will be there. You must be patient. 4. Past participle: been, used after have, has, had. I have been busy. She had been waiting for an hour. That's it. Just 7 words. But they appear in every single tense of English. Part 3. How to be appears in the 16 English tenses. Now let's divide them based on the 16 tenses, and you'll see how each form fits perfectly. Present tenses: simple present: am, is, are. Example: I am happy. She is kind. They are students. Present continuous: am, is, are plus being. Example: I am being careful. You are being silly. Present perfect: have, has plus been. Example: I have been tired lately. Present perfect continuous: have, has plus been plus being. Example: rare but possible. I have been being patient. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's grammatically correct. Past tenses: simple past: was, were. Example: I was hungry. You were late. Past continuous: was, were plus being. Example: was being polite. Past perfect: had plus been. Example: I had been there before. Past perfect continuous: had plus been plus being. Example: again, rare: I had been being honest with you. Future tenses 9. Simple future: will plus be. Example: I will be there. 10. Future continuous: will plus be plus being. Example: I will be being observed tomorrow. Sounds formal, right? 11. Future perfect: will plus have plus been. Example: I will have been here for 2 hours. 12. Future perfect continuous: will plus have plus been plus being. Example: I will have been being tested. Again, grammatically possible but rarely used. Future in the past, aka would forms. 13. future in the past simple. Would plus be. Example, I would be happy to help. 14. Future in the past continuous. Would plus be plus being. Example, I would be being unfair if I said no. 15. Future in the past perfect. Would plus have plus been. Example, I would have been upset. 16. Future in the past perfect continuous. Would plus have plus been plus being. Example, I would have been being careful. Phew, that's a lot of tenses. But see how to be changes its form smoothly across all of them. Part 4. Quick review. Let's simplify everything into a table in your mind. 1. Present. Am, is, are. 2. Past. Was, were. 3. Base. Be. 4. Perfect forms. Been. So, whenever you see am, is, are, was, were, be, been, you're just looking at different forms of the same verb, to be. Cool, right? Part 5. Mini quiz time. All right, let's see how well you understand this. I've got 3 quick questions for you. Ready? Question 1. Which form of to be fits this sentence? I watching a movie right now. A. Am. B. Was. C. Been. Think. Think. Yes, the answer is A. Am, because it's present continuous. I am watching a movie. Question 2. Which one is correct? They were playing football yesterday. A. Are. B. Were. C. Have been. The answer is B. Were, because it's past continuous. They were playing football. Question 3. What form do we use after have or has? A. Be. B. Being. C. Being. Correct. It's C. Been. For example, I have been busy. If you got all 3 correct, you're officially a to-be master. So next time you see is, am, are, was, were, be or been, don't panic. Just remember, they're all part of the same family. Each one appears depending on the tense and subject you use. If this video helped you finally understand the verb to be, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to ESC Grammar and Structure, where we make English grammar simple, smart, and fun. See you in the next lesson. And remember, you are amazing, you were amazing, and you will always be amazing.